Hey, hi, this is Karthik. I really want to thank Shankar sir and also JSPIDERS. I think JSPIDERS will provide a very good knowledge regarding IT fields with respect to Java or it might be web technologies. They are so good at technically they are giving a very good knowledge. Uh, if you ask me how you got the job, I can say through just my communication. Uh, I can say communication is a skill you can use as a key to get your jobs. Uh, I joined a company. It's related to uh, training field. Like I need to train US students, so it's all about communication. So it was there was 3 rounds. First was aptitude. That too not technical aptitude. It's all related to English vocabulary aptitude. The second round it was just around just for a qualification and they just asked me about my skills. That's it. The third round it was HR round. In the HR round there were HR questions as you can expect the HR questions. The same questions was there and all about the communication. That's it. And then when I got there there were then all the skills what I have learned in the JSPIDERS that helped me a lot. So I really want to thank Shankar sir. So if I could give one suggestion for you people, please do try to speak English. Please do try to improve your communication. It's a key, as I'm saying. Just through communication, I got my job. That's it. It's very hard to get a job right now. That too, I'm a non-IT student. So just because of my communication, I got the job. So why? Because I'm mentioning that it's that important. Nothing was asked about my skills and all. Just it was column in the form. That's it. So really thank you. Yeah, have a good day.